Welcome to the project demonstration of emergency braking system by using ultrasonic sensor and PIC microcontroller. So here the main application of this project is whenever we are driving, if any obstacle detects, in order to apply the automatic braking system without intimation or without manual involving, we are using ultrasonic sensor and microcontroller. And here the ultrasonic sensor will detect the distance of the obstacle based on the echo signal receiving. And here it has two modules. One is a transmitter, another is a receiver. When the transmitter emits the ultrasonic waves, and if any obstacle is there in front of that, the surface of the obstacle will reflect those transmitted ultrasonic waves, and that will be received by the receiver module. So here a microcontroller will emit will provide a trigger pulse to the ultrasonic sensor to emit the ultrasonic waves, and it will wait for the signal from the receiver module. Whenever the receiver module provides the trigger to the microcontroller, then it has the timing signal before from transmission to till receiving the signal. So this echo time will be multiplied with the sound speed, as you know the sound speed. Then we will get the distance of the object. So if the object distance is less than the 30 centimeters, then we are going to apply the braking to the DC motors for stopping of this vehicle with the help of this electromagnetic relay. Here we are using 12 volt 1 amp battery, which is rechargeable battery, in order to provide the power supply for the whole modules as the input and output modules. In our project, input module serves the SR0 for ultrasonic sensor, output module is electromagnetic relay to apply the braking, and buzzer to provide the audible alerts. And in order to recharge this battery, just we need to connect the B at this B slots and then on the power supply to the transformer. As we are using the charging circuit based on the timer based, it will take 6 hours to be fully charged. Once the battery getting fully charged, if you forgot to off this also, no need to worry about that. This charging circuit will block the current flow from the charging circuits from the transformer to the battery. So once the time completes 6 to 8 hours, then you can switch off the power supply to this transformer and keep this aside. So that we are providing this also. And now this is the main on off switch. So here we provide the on off switch. So this is the on off switch. Above is the on, below is the off. So when we on that, the controller will start moving the robots and keep on checking the distance of the obstacle for every 200 milliseconds. So there is a speed for the detection of the obstacles. Now I on the system. The robot is moving. So whenever the obstacle detects, stop moving. And once obstacle moves away, then it keep on moving. So in this way we can prevent the accidents before hitting the vehicles to the objects. Thank you.